We're going to take the spare tire down because I know I haven't done it in like 2 years, just to make sure I remember how. Looks like this is the hole that I got to run that bar up in to lower the back spare tire. Now I need to just find all the tools. Now this is where they hide the tools in this truck, right behind the seat. You got to reach back up in here and unscrew all this here. Get the bag out. Yay! Heck yeah, Gizmo. Oh, it is long. The bag of tools. Forward. Okay. Now then. All right, what we got in here? Spinner. Another one. Don't know. That one. Alright, that's what I got in that bag. I'm gonna say that's probably the one that hooks into it to spin it. So let's snap it together. There. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Big long rod. All right. Okay, I forgot about this little tool here in my glove box. So you put that into there, and that somehow or another you're supposed to reach up there and grab the end of that spare tire to let it down to keep security lock. Keep somebody from stealing your spare tire. Well, you can't even get your own spare tire if you lose this. Anyway, let's give it a try. All right, got a little lock on there. Hope it don't fall off. We're gonna run it up in there and see if we can't get that spare tire down. All right. Really don't know if I need. I don't know if I need all 3 bars on there, so I just need to do it like that right there. All right. Find out which way we need to go. All right. All right, here we go. Oh, that moves pretty good. Well, at least I'm figuring out how to do this. We're going to. Well, that turns pretty fast like that. I didn't expect it to come down that fast. That's good. You don't want a slow turn. But you got a flat on the side of the road. Let's see if I can get that out. Okay. Ow. Head bumper. Okay. Rusty there. We're going to go ahead and pull the tire around. Put an air tire gauge to it out here. Right now I'm just going to, the valve stem is up here, so you can't test it from the ground. That's about as far as I need to pull it. Now, my question to everybody is I want to lube the cable and everything. I just want to make sure that it continues to work. My problem is if you use anything oily, it'll collect dust. I could be wrong with this. I'm going to do the silicone base. I'm going to spray it, let it dry, put it up, but not drive it till tomorrow. But I would like you to put down in the comments, what do y'all do on the cables and stuff? Because you don't want dirt all up in that cable. That'd make it worse instead of better. But I'm going to try the silicone base and just spray it and let it set all night long. Spraying it lightly, just give it a little dampness. Put the tire back on and crank it back up there. All right. I'm going to go ahead and spray where the cranking gear is. I'm going to spray down the cable. This spring. Now my hopes is after I get it sprayed, I'll crank it up in there. That way it'll work up in there. Hope this dries out, because it usually dries out if I spray it on anything. If I come back several hours, it's dried out. So that's what I'm hoping on this too. Looks like it's already drying up there where it was just barely misted. So we might be good here. Oh, let's get the tire gauge. Here I come. Okay. I got my ETENWOLF, or however you pronounce it. If you haven't seen my video on the ETENWOLF air gauge, click right up there. I'm going to put a link to that video. You can check it out. Cap's on good and tight. Push this up there. Woo. I say this thing is light. Got to air this baby up. Get that pump out. £30. These truck tires are supposed to have 80. Let's see, I am. Can't get the hose off. All right. We ain't got it to 80. 80. All right. Whew. Wrap up this hose. Set it out of the way. Had to move the camera. I don't know if I did good or bad. All right. I'm back up out of here. All right. Yeah. Yeah. It's dried out. Just during the time of airing up the tire. All right. Sorry. You hit the mic. You might have did something. Might not have. In there. Can't remember where that valve stem was. But I bet you it doesn't matter. Yeah, it's on the top. That tire looks like it's been rubbed right there. So we're gonna start right there and crank it up. Hard on an old man. Is the right direction? I'm going up. Okay. Move the camera back just a hair. Sorry. Right in my middle of my cranking. I'll knock the camera out. Hey, it's going up. Okay. So looking under there, going up about normal. All right, it's snugged up here. Doesn't move. All right, that was interesting. Now all I gotta do is make sure I put that back in the glove box. And we're going to break this down and put it back in the bag, back where it was at, so we can always find it. Now let me put this up. We'll move right on over to the camper. Got a long trip coming up, and I want to make sure that I can get that spare tire down, at least know how to do it before I take the trip. Don't want to be on the side of the road trying to figure that out. So we're going to get working on that. Now I'm up under the camper. I'm going to take this down. I already ran it once. I'm going to run it down. First I'm going to spray a little of this on there. It's a little rough. Don't know. Yeah, here. If that's doing any good. Yeah, I'm cheating. I'm using this. Getting dark. It's getting late. Just need to get it down. Let's see. A little bit different than the other one. Come out of there. There it goes. All right. Yeah. Put this cable. I know where the crank tool is for this. It's in the tote. It's in the tote right behind the Blackstone. I have to take the whole Blackstone out. I'm going to rearrange that. That tool needs to be out close in case I need that for if the drill is not available. Main thing is, this was turned down where I could check the pressure on this one versus the other one. spare tire. And we have, we low on this one too. 42. I think I check these things for take off on a long trip. All these tires are supposed to have 80. So, just trying to get it where I can clean it up and get the air compressor over here. I got a hose right there. I'm gonna drag over here, air it up that way. Be quicker. I'm getting a little man compressor. Get these things up. I don't want to be low. If I do have a flat, I want to have a good tire to put on. Doesn't have to be exactly 80. Anywhere over 75, I'll feel a lot better. Then the little air compressor can get it all the way up real quick. When you're down to 40, got to be on 80. That takes a while on the side of the road. Let's see what we got now. The big compressor kick on. We at 70. That didn't take long at all. Should be close. 77. Come on, reset. There we go. Ah, what's the chances of that? Right on 80. All right. I've done sprayed the cable. I don't want to overspray the cable. I want to get up in that gear a little bit. That gear was, when I first started, was a little hesitant. I'm not going to put any more on the cable. Cable just needs enough to keep it from rusting. All right, now let's hope this works. I think that worked. Still something. Yeah. I don't like it moving around. That's all right. Oh, it don't move now? Huh. Take that. All right, let's get out from under here. Okay, I'm done for the day. I refamiliarized myself with taking the spare tires down off the truck and the camper, just in case I have a blowout on the next long trip I'm fixing to take. Thank you all for watching. Share this video with anybody you would like. Subscribe if you haven't, and give us a thumbs up to help us out. Till next time, Only Weekends RV. Where's that freaking crank at? Aha! Ta-da! Yes!